In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Chromebooks in Google Admin Console. By the end, you'll know how to navigate to your Chrome device list, start an enrollment, and confirm everything is set for management. First, sign into your Admin Console. From the home page, open Devices, then choose Chrome and select Devices again. This brings you to the Chrome Devices area, the central place where enrolled Chromebooks will appear and where you can organize them and apply policies. From here, you can explore groups to organize devices by location, department, or any structure that makes sense for your organization. Grouping early helps you target apps and policies later without extra work. When you're ready to bring new devices under management, select Enroll to open the enrollment workflow. You'll see two paths: Chrome OS devices and non-Chrome OS devices with Chrome OS Flex. Chrome OS Flex is for supported Macs and PCs you've converted to run Chrome OS Flex. For now, choose Chrome OS devices and click Next to continue. You have two enrollment methods. Manual enrollment is great for small batches or ad hoc onboarding. Zero-touch enrollment is ideal for larger rollouts purchased through supported resellers. Devices automatically enroll when first powered on. We'll use manual enrollment for this walkthrough, so click Start. On the device side, power on your Chromebook and connect it to the internet if prompted. At the sign-in screen, press Ctrl+Alt+E to start enterprise enrollment. You'll be asked to sign in with your organization's enrollment account. This account is used only to enroll the device. After enrollment, users will sign in with their own organizational accounts. If the enrollment screen doesn't appear, make sure you're on the sign-in screen and connected to a stable network. Once the device confirms enrollment, it's managed. Policies, apps, and settings from your admin console will begin applying the next time the device checks in. Back in the console, click Done to close the wizard. Your newly enrolled Chromebook will show under Chrome OS devices. From here, you can assign it to the right group, verify the serial number, see last sync time, and confirm it's receiving policies. As your fleet grows, the export option is helpful for reporting and audits. Download a CSV to review inventory, status, and other key details. That's the full flow. Navigate to Chrome devices, start enrollment, choose the method that fits your rollout, enroll the device, and verify it appears in your list. With this foundation, you'll be able to organize devices into groups and confidently manage updates, apps, and security across your Chromebooks.